Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming ownership and immediate permissions. Open Search Console now and run URL inspection on the affected page. Once done, review the live test to see why Google blocked crawling or indexing, because that test shows robots, noindex, or server errors. Next, fix any blocking directives in robots. TXT, meta robots, or canonical tags so the URL is reachable. Then request indexing. This kicks off a fresh crawl cycle and flags the URL for reevaluation quickly. Once you've requested indexing, shift focus to content and technical signals that influence indexing. You should add unique, meaningful content and schema markup to demonstrate value. Search robots to prioritize thin or duplicate pages. Make sure strong internal links point to the page and include it in your XML sitemap so crawlers find it more often. Also resolve any HTTP status issues, redirect loops, or slow page speed, because crawl budget and successful fetches directly affect whether Google moves a page from discovered to indexed. Finally, monitor progress via the coverage report and the URL inspection tool. Look for status changes and error details. Re-request indexing after fixes and give Google 24 to 72 hours to recrawl, because indexing isn't instant. If the page remains not indexed, run deeper tests. Check for hidden noindex, hreflang problems, or quality thresholds. Google may judge the page as low value. Key troubleshooting tip: if repeated requests fail, temporarily create a high-quality, canonical.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.